After losing Levi Kitchen from racing the West and moving him over to the East, PC had only one rider out West, being Garrett Marchbanks, and well, that is about to change. Now, the rumor going around was that Drew Adams, the rookie, whatever you want to call him, young kid that they had signed to a long-term deal, could do a fill-in ride, but apparently that's not going to be the case. He's going to continue to race the Supercross Futures, and this coming from, well, was coming from Popomex or Steve Mathis, saying, quote, hearing Masterpool gonna slide to the West starting this weekend. Kind of thought it might be Adams, but parts slash mech, etc. for new bike are a bit sparse, so this makes sense. Now, obviously, that was the unofficial thing, but Steve Mathis is probably pretty good about most things if you pay attention. He doesn't say much that's not pretty close to the exact truth of what's going to happen. And since then, Kawasaki has made it official that Ty Masterpool will be taking his ride to the West Coast starting this weekend in San Diego? Question mark? I think it's San Diego. Either way, doesn't matter. It's for him. It kind of sucks. Let's be honest, because he's already one race down in points, which means he's out of the title contention probably completely. As far as I know, or as far as I think, he only has this year deal. Like, I don't know if he signed for the full Supercross SMX thing. Someone comment down below, tell me. I think he did. I think he got a full 1 year deal for it, but he can still prove himself. He can still come into the West and he can still prove that he is better at Supercross than he has been in years prior. He deserves to stay on this team. And also for the team, for PC, it's probably better for them that they don't have Kitchen, Kitchen Masterpool, Hammaker, and McAdoo. Yeah, they would have had four people racing the East. So for them as a team, it's good. You swap the points out a little bit. You don't have four people in the East racing against each other, taking points off of each other. And I don't know, it's kind of funny how crazy the beginning of the season's begun. The West, which was looking to be a massively competitive year, well, half those people are going East now, and well, somebody's got to come West, and it's kind of just one of those funny things. It's a year that's going really weird. A couple Achilles injuries, people swapping back and forth. I think this is fine for Masterpool. If anything, it's probably better for him. Hey, yeah, guys, I'll fill in for you. I'm a team player. He gets to look good. He gets to come over here, already down a race. So he can't really be expected to be a title contender at this point. Like, if you're already down that many points, you're already behind the eight ball. It's come over here and just put on a show, see how good you can do, and make yourself look good and try and continue this contract, or at least for somebody else to give you a contract next year. And while it sucks that, yes, you are out of title contention, there is no chance of you. Well, I mean, granted, if everybody else screws up horribly, he could come back and win this title. It's just points could happen, but for him to come over here, it's going to be one of those things. Hey, we know we're screwing you a little bit, but come over here, look good, show some speed, show some skill, show that you're not just an outdoor motocross only guy, and we'll see where it goes. I mean, he has proven himself last year in the outdoors, and now let's see if he can do it on the indoors. Well, stadium tracks, whatever you want to call it. But I mean, big news. People swapping back and forth, left and right, sicknesses, Achilles injuries, whatever it is. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments down below. What do you think of this? Good move, bad move? Are you happy for this? Do you think they should have just kept him on the East? Whatever it is, who do you think wins the 450s and the 250s? Do you think Deegan's gonna come back and have a blazing win this week? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.